Understanding Online Meetups, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of digital communication, focusing on a common phrase you might have heard, online meetup. This term is becoming increasingly relevant in our connected world, so understanding its meaning and use is key for English language learners. Let's get started. An online meetup refers to a gathering of people who connect and interact through the internet, rather than meeting in person. This can be for various reasons like discussions, learning, socializing, or business meetings. Unlike traditional meetings, online meetups take place over digital platforms such as Zoom, Skype, or even social media. Key features: location independent. Participants can join from anywhere with internet access. Diverse participation. Often, attendees are from different parts of the world. Flexible scheduling. Can occur at any time, accommodating various time zones. Technology dependent. Relies on devices like computers or smartphones and internet connectivity. Benefits: convenience. No travel required, saving time and money. Accessibility. Easier for people with mobility issues or those living in remote areas. Broader networking. Opportunity to connect with a global audience. Challenges: technical issues. Dependence on technology means that connectivity issues can disrupt meetings. Limited personal interaction. Lack of physical presence can affect the dynamics of communication. Let's see how to use this phrase in real-life contexts. 1. I'm attending an online meetup for a writers group tonight. 2. Our company organizes weekly online meetups to discuss project progress. I hope this video helps clarify what an online meetup is and how it fits into our modern way of communicating. Remember, as the world becomes more digitally connected, phrases like this become more common and important to understand. Thanks for watching, and see you at our next online meetup.